Trump confirms U.S. strike on alleged Venezuelan drug boat. President Trump says the U.S. military has struck a drug-laden vessel in the southern Caribbean after it left Venezuela. The strike comes a week after Washington deployed warships to the region. Trump confirms U.S. strike on alleged Venezuelan drug boat. Toggle caption Daniel Gonzalez/Anadolu/via Getty. Tensions between the U.S. and Venezuela are rising. Days after sending U.S. gunboats to South American waters, President Trump said Tuesday Th.